Hello everyone, welcome to Battu Tech. Today we are going to solve fourth question in LeetCode SQL series. The question name is article views 1. Given views table, there is no primary key for this table, which means there will be duplicate rows present in the table. Each row of this table indicates that some user viewed an article written by some author on some date. Note that equal author ID and the customer ID indicate the same person. Write a solution to find all the authors that viewed at least one of their own articles. Return the result table sorted by ID in ascending order. The result format is in following example. Let us see one sample table. The table is going to contain 4 columns: article ID, author ID, who wrote this article, viewed ID, who viewed the article ID, and the corresponding view date. If you see here, the author ID and the view ID are same in 3 rows, and we want to extract unique rows from this table which contains author ID and viewer ID is same, which means we want to extract the rows where the same author who wrote the article viewed the article. So this both the columns will be same. We want to extract only the distinct values, and we want to sort the output in ascending order. So let us write the implementation using MySQL. You can use either author ID or viewer ID and give us an alias as ID. In my case, I am going to use author ID. I am giving an alias as ID from the views table, where I want to make condition like the author ID should be equal to my viewer underscore ID. I want to order it based on my ID column in ascending order. One thing what I missed is we want to extract only the distinct IDs. Let us run the code. The code ran successfully. Let us submit the code to run all the test cases. Yes, the code submitted successfully. Let us see the implementation using PySpark. I am using Databricks. I will attach this Jupyter Notebook file in the description box. You can download the file for the sample data. I have created a data frame using this sample data. Let me run the cells. Let me display the data. Yep. So our table is going to contain 4 columns: article ID, author ID, and viewer ID. We want to extract the rows which have author ID and viewer ID is same. We want to extract only the unique rows ordered by ID in ascending order. I am opening another cell. Since data frames are immutable, we want to assign whenever we are doing some transformation. I am creating a data frame called df2, and I am going to filter the data from original data frame, where I want only the data which have author ID and viewer ID same. Author ID column should be equal to my viewer underscore ID. Let us display the new data frame. The expectation is it should contain only the rows which have my author ID and viewer ID same. Now we want only the either author ID or viewer ID column. So in the new data frame, in the df2 data frame, I am going to write a select statement which is going to filter my author ID column. I am going to assign df2 again. So let us display the data frame. So now we have only the author ID column. Here we are seeing the duplicates. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a distinct method which will remove the duplicates from my data frame. If you see here, now your data frame contains only 7 and 4. We want to order by based on the ID in ascending order. Before that, let us give an alias name for this author ID. So what I'm going to do, inside this select statement, I'm using an alias method and giving it as name as ID. So my author ID is renamed into ID now. Now let me write the order by method. We want to give the column name. In our case, it's going to be ID. We want to mention whether we are going to sort it in ascending or descending order. The default characteristic is ascending. So I ignored the order by part. So if you see here, we have got 2 rows, 4 and 7, ordered by ID in ascending order, and this is our expected output. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for the next videos. Thank you.